Vikings here in SM, so we'll have buffet lunch here. So another food vlog na naman, guys. Without further ado, let's go and I will throw you here in the place, and yes, I will try their food. So let's go. You can get the vegetable tempura and egg tempura. So this is the ramen station here, and you can make your own. You can choose your own pasta and your condiments. My first plate, so I have tempura and lamb, guys. So every time na mag-buffet ko, ako gini siyang i-prioritize for me ang tempura. Favorite yun kayo, di siya na ako, di siya mawas kong plate every time I go try a buffet. So it's very hot.
Kaya lang yan.
So this one is a lamb, guys. Let's try it. Okay, so later I will tour you around the place, guys, to see what foods they have here in Vikings. So mukhaon sa kong minatuod. So I'm done with my first plate, guys. So I'll grab more foods. So this is their grill station, guys. So they have bangus, chicken sal, and yes, some skewers here for barbecue. So just get, and then we'll let them cook for you. They have a punto station. So this is our ginabot and chicharon, and yep, this is chorizo and fried chicken. So this is very popular in the Philippines. So if you want to visit Philippines, so you should try punto. Chicken egg? Oh, it's a marble potato. I thought it's a chicken egg. So this is the carving station, guys. So you just choose from here. Hello.
Belly,
beef, lamb, and chicken. So you just let them cook for you, guys, and they will. You'll have your lamb.
Oh. Chef Noel, sigariano.
tapas bar. So let's see. my second plate, guys. I have sausage, udon, and fito frito, I don't know, and the scallop and the shrimp. So, ready na for my second plate. Scallop, guys. It's a watermelon. It's really, really, really good. This is their Japanese station here. They have different kinds of maki. The bangkok maki, Tokyo roll. This is half dynamite maki. My third plate, I have maki, assorted maki, and you know, this is a new maki. Okay guys, let's eat. Let's try. One humid. Third guys, so I'm done with my third plate. So let me tour you around guys here. Let's see what's their food. So let's move to the dessert station. Ano?
Butter, flour.
Butter, yeah.
Flour. Flour.
Pancake. Say hello to my mom.
Hello.
So they have the ice cream station here. And then here, candy cabinet. Sugar rush. Diba? You have your toppings for your ice cream. You can also make your halo-halo here. Yan. So here guys is the pasta station. So you can make your own pasta. So yeah. Siya, pasta marinara. Bread stations. So in this part guys, the fruit station. Fresh one. So pineapple, watermelon. You can get your cakes, your slice of cake, your desserts. So you just slide this door and just, whoa, that's, yeah. So they also have a salad station. Get all you want here. They have Coco, Milo, Nescafe, name it, everything. And then there's also different drinks here. Strawberry lemonade, lychee juice, fresh pineapple carrot. What else? They also have house blend iced tea, Four Seasons, everything. Get your ice for that. Here. Okay, time for dessert, guys. So this is what I have in my plate. I have sapin-sapit. I have fruits. This is papaya, pineapple, melon, and some desserts here. So if you want to try here in Vikings, guys, this is located inside the SM City, Cebu. So in the North Wing, so just ask where's the Vikings, and here you can find your different foods. Maybe a Korean, Japanese. They have different cuisines here. Filipino. They also have good desserts. So yeah. So if you're asking guys how much will it cost here, so their lunch buffet, weekday lunch buffet costs 723 pesos. Very full, and I so love their foods, and yeah. So ask like, how much is your lunch buffet here?
722.4.
During weekdays. How about for weekend?
932.4.
Okay. Alahi sa siya ang dinner. Oh, okay. So mo to siya ang mga prices, guys. So if you want to check it here, so just go to SM, and inside SM na Vikings here. So that's it. Thank you. So and that's it for my food tour here, guys, in Vikings. So hope you like this video. If you do, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel, and see you guys in my next food, adventure, and travel vlogs. Bye guys!